So YouTube, today I want to put out there a new product that's out. It's absolutely amazing. It charged pretty quick. It's this car charger. In my description I will have a link and where to buy. It's pretty cool. It's a rapid charger. It's a 3.0. Usually a rapid charger would be a 2.1, and this is a 3.0, a 3.1 amp. As you can see, it charged pretty quick. It is amazing the way it is. I tried it and it charged my phone pretty quick. It's very strong, so I absolutely recommend this product. And my link I will have in my description, and you will see it. And if you want to buy it, go right ahead. I recommend it. It is absolutely amazing. Thanks, and like and subscribe.